In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned here in Fortnite Chapter 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But whether you were banned recently or a really long time ago, you actually can still appeal that ban. And what you're going to want to do first, if you do have Fortnite open, is actually close out of Fortnite. When you open up a new tab, go ahead and search for Epic Games Support, and then go ahead and choose Get Help and Customer Service, which should be the second option here. Scroll down on this page and you'll see an option for Contact Us. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to open up this Epic Support Assistant where you're going to want to type in Appeal Fortnite Ban. After you type in Appeal Fortnite Ban, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is reply to this section that says you think your account is banned and you want to know how to handle the situation. Put yes here, and then it's going to pop up with all this stuff where you're going to want to scroll down and just go ahead and select no to did this solve your issue. It's going to go ahead and bring up a page that looks like this, and then it's going to ask you if you'd like to speak with someone. Go ahead and say yes, and then go talk to the support team by submitting an email ticket. It's going to then send an email ticket and they're going to email you back, and from here all you have to go ahead and do is in that email just give them as much information as possible and explain when your account was banned, why you believe it should be unbanned. If you broke a rule, admit to it and just promise not to repeat it. And then if it was a mistake, just say that it clearly was a mistake. Most of the time they will end up appealing this and giving you like a warning and then giving you your account back. But definitely be as honest as possible because that's what gives you the best shot. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.